Welcome to 2735 Canterbury Road, an exquisite contemporary retreat offering refined opulence, sumptuous finishes, and chic design. From the grand-scale living spaces to the showcase kitchen to the stunning owner's suite, this home is a haven of comfort, beauty, and elegance. Hey, it's EVA LIN. Today, I'm at my latest listing in picture-perfect North San Marino. You'll find this is the perfect neighborhood to call home. It's quiet and peaceful, yet conveniently close to everyday essentials and the top-rated schools that San Marino is known for. Newly built from the ground up in 2019, this home provides turnkey luxury. I can't wait to give you a tour, so let's take a closer look inside. As soon as you enter, you're treated to gorgeous design and stunning details in every direction. Gleaming inlaid marble floors and intricate exposed wood ceilings make an unforgettable first impression. To the right, the open floor plan combines the gracious living room and dining room to create a truly impressive space. A beautifully designed ceiling serves as an art piece unto itself, while natural light floods in through huge walls of windows, making this the perfect setting for elegant gatherings. Stepping into the great room, we find ourselves in the heart of the home, designed for both style and comfort. The showcase kitchen has been impeccably crafted with custom cabinetry, quartz counters, and top-tier appliances from Viking and Bertazzoni. Just imagine putting together a charcuterie board while chatting with your guests as they lounge on the couch before heading outside. Perfect for summer barbecues, you'll love spending time with friends and family in this easy-care backyard. Then, when fall rolls around, you will enjoy picking fresh persimmons from the bountiful tree. Back inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed walk-in pantry and a separate walk kitchen. A beautifully appointed powder room also sits nearby, perfect for guests. Now let's check out the peaceful sleeping quarters tucked away down the hall. Each of the 4-bedroom en-suites offer its own private retreat with intricate wood paneling, crown moldings, and other elevated design elements. Here in the luxurious primary suite, you'll find the ultimate haven to rest and recharge. Serene, spacious, and bright, you'll treasure this sanctuary. An elegantly designed walk-in closet perfectly showcases your wardrobe, while the lavishly appointed ensuite bath offers spa-level pampering. Indulge in blissful relaxation in the soaking tub or refreshing the oversized shower, all while surrounded by sumptuous finishes. Next, let's explore the entertainment space on the lower level. Complete with a projector wall and a wine cellar, this area is perfect for fun evenings. Invite friends over to cheer on your favorite team, enjoy weekly game nights, or cozy up for a movie marathon. So that was 2735 Canterbury Road, a truly exquisite home brimming with style and elegance. Whether you're hosting afternoon tea in the living room, cooking weeknight dinner while overseeing homework in the grey room, or screening the latest blockbuster downstairs, this home promises a life full of special moments. If you'd like to see this home in person, I invite you to reach out to me while there's still time. I look forward to seeing you soon.